Hey there, YouTube. I'm back again for another installment. Try to get this out here so everybody know what's going on and quit fighting amongst each other because we're all in this game together, okay? And we're not even on the defense. We're not even on the offense. We're just pieces to the game. Until you become an actual player of the game, then you'll just be the board and just get walked on, basically, or you just be accessory to the game. So I moved up the background to show the puppet. Can't be long. I'm going to be quick. So let's get into this first card. We have evil geniuses for a better tomorrow. If you know Bill Nye or Neil deGrasse Tyson, you know that they are geniuses for a better tomorrow. And why do they promote this better tomorrow? Because they know somewhere along the way somebody messed up. And it happens when the governments try to modify the weather. When they try to rush to understand things and to create things without thinking too far ahead. So now we do have a problem. The climate is an issue. But with the propaganda that goes on, we have people thinking that it's not an issue. If you want to check out what's going on with the oceans and with the coral reefs and with the crustaceans, be my guest. And then once you realize, well, that those little tiny things is what feed the bigger things that end up feeding us, then you realize that it really is a cause and effect. Yes, we are to blame, but it's not just us, it's this international weather organization. Now, as you see, I got it right next to the flat earthers. It just so happened to be relevant this week, and the person to defend it is Mr. Tyson. Let me be clear, I'm not a flat earther. Some things I can just see and realize, like, okay, this we're not on a flat plane. I know some people like to speculate it. We can sit here, we can debate it, but once you start looking at other heavenly bodies and you can see their spherical shape, and once you look into the horizon, you'll start seeing a little spherical shape. You'll start to understand that we are on a globe and not on a simple piece of plane. But anyway, that's a whole nother topic. So there you have it, people. Play three more cards. Evil Genius Scientists, International Weather Organization, and Flat Earthers. It's hard to find the truth, but let us keep watching as they watch us.